Spyro and Tiwa Savage. Obviously, Spyro is obviously having a moment with this one. Top 10 Nigeria songs right now. Who's Your Guy? Obviously doing his madness on TikTok. A catchy song that really captures your best friendship essence. There's been a lot of songs now that have been channeling the same sentiment. And it's been one of the stronger narratives that you see on Afropop records. Next to Heartbreak, next to obviously Love, because that's there. And which other narratives that we see? Next to Dealing with Your Haters, Braggadocio, that one's there too. I mean, talking about your best friends, another flavor of love now that has been championed recently, and this is another song that does that, and people are catching it on TikTok. Spyro has obviously had a moment before with Billing as well. He seems like he's going for that viral, like relatable viral pockets, and it seems to be doing that very well for him, and it's nice to get a legend like Tiwa on this, you know. Anyway, let's hear it. This is Who's Your Guy, Spyro and Tiwa Savage. The beat is actually nuts. You don't recognize how crazy this beat is.
Who's your guy, Spyro? Now only me, one life. I dedicate my life.
But you're feeling the bass is my point. You're feeling the bass. It gives you some essay kind of feel. It feels like something here, like a freshly ground. Yeah, it feels very essay-esque, very South African in the bass arrangement there, and I absolutely love it. I love how it comes in. Dum, 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 dum. Absolutely stunning. She said, "Come here, man." She's getting that essay feel. No, Tiwa's head is there. Tiwa's head is there. Tiwa's head is there. Tiwa's head is there. She's speaking on that essay feel, man.
As I never see you online, you me and they give me consign. Yeah, I be ringing on your cellular.
Oh, what is this flow? Wait. Tiwa's flow in the opener for this verse is absolutely insane, man. Nah, bro, she came on like spazzing on the first like two lines. Come on. Hey. What? It's not done? Nah, bro. Like, I didn't even want to stop it because she kept going. Bro, like, this is, listen. Tiwa's flow on this, impeccable, bro. Like, absolutely impeccable, right? She's giving it a very, very, like, you know what I mean? Like, it feels like this kind of run, someone like, I feel like someone like a I don't know why Davido is coming up more often tonight, but I can hear her definitely deliver this. I mean, I can hear Davido delivering something exactly like this particular cadence. I don't know, did she write this? But anyway, even regardless, I think she's obviously building on the subject matter of the song, obviously making references now between Dead Notes and John Jazzy saying that you're a guy, like, but bro, I absolutely think she's making the record super dynamic. We can't really predict where she's going. It just surprise after surprise, pleasant surprise after pleasant surprise. Definitely a nice moment Tiwa is having here, man. Definitely showing why she's a veteran, man. She's been in this game for a minute, for a reason.
Yeah, I'm feeling good tonight.
Hey, I'm getting back to the original. Hey. This is a wholesome record, bro.
I thank God for my beauty. Good friends will be money.
Hey. Oh, I want to hear Davido on this. So bad. That was brilliant. Brilliant record, man. Brilliant moment from Tiwa. Stellar moment from Tiwa. What am I saying? Absolutely stellar moment from Tiwa. I'm itching to hear Davido on this, bro. This is going to be fantastic. But Davido is coming. OVO is coming. It's March. We're ready for Davido. But anyway, this was good. Hey, listen, she brought a whole different element to the song. You know what I mean? Name dropping, bringing, being on a very very strong run of a verse, and then like now sharing the hook with Spyro as well, and then we get into the Spyro verse that is a very very nice wholesome outro as well for the song. Nice record, man. Nice record. I can't really fault it too much. This is a nice pocket. Obviously, viral moment. Super relatable on that one, and yeah, it was nice to see Tiwa actually coming clean, because it's nice to have a hit song and then you have an OG hop on the remix to like propel it. It's good for the artist, also good for the OG, especially if they've been missing on the hits sector of things. And to be frank, Tiwa has been, yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a minute that a song has connected since Somebody's Son, right? So it's nice to see her actually hop on the momentum, that it's clear for her, and she actually showed up. It's good that she showed up because she's present on the song. She's also present on the song, man. This is good. This is good. This is a good moment for both of them. And I hope to see Spyro build something around this. You know, I just would hate to see an artist get this much attention in the game. I mean, he's done it before, but then again, he has a very, how do I say, quintessential brand to him that it doesn't really sit well, or it's not memorable so far, is what I'm saying. I would like to see that for him because his profile can get bigger, because there's obviously songs now that I can attach to him. There's this billing song and there's this who's your guy moment. I think it would be nice for him to build on that, to have more visibility, to just be out there more, you know what I mean? And yeah, it would be nice to see that. It'd be nice to see that. That was Spyro and Tiwa Savage. You guys are 81% on that one. That seems about fair. People that don't like cheesy records, that don't like your TikToks, and yeah, might not be crazy about this one. But to be honest, for a TikTok song, this is actually very good and brilliant, especially from a production standpoint. Arrangement is stellar. That essay guitar riff there in the intro to the chorus, absolutely brilliant. That my piano feel like, and it's just a nice pocket, it's a nice bounce. You can't resist. You can't help it but dance, bro. Like, it's a very nice danceable record, and it's catchy, as it's supposed to be, you know. But anyway, it's a good song. It's a good song for a TikTok song, you know. And that was Spyro, Tiwa Savage.